Mohammed, would you have a minute for me?
Yeah, sure. Yeah.
This could be a very interesting opportunity.
Yeah, it's in neon.
That's very interesting. Would you be able to make a call?
Sure,
And reach out?
Sure, yeah, please share with me the...
I will send the details and then you can make the call.
Okay, that's perfect.
Okay, thank you, Mohammed.
السلام عليكم، مهندس حسام معايا. أهلا بحضرتك، ازيك؟ مع حضرتك مهندس محمد راشد من شركة سيليكون، شركة بترتب ايفنت في السعودية. نتشرف يعني بيك ونكون سعداء إن احنا اوكي تمام ممتاز. باي.
Silicon Pablo speaking.
Morning, Pablo. How are you? Perfect. I'm calling you because one of our customers in Saudi Arabia, he is interested in an inquiry. So, could you please help me with this?
When would you need the offer?
I would say by tomorrow is perfect.
Yeah, sure, we'll work on it.
Okay, sounds perfect. I will send it to you right away. Okay, have a good day. Goodbye.
So I just received an urgent request from a customer in Saudi. Can you prepare a quotation?
Yes, sure. I will set up a meeting with the production, logistics and projects team and I'll prepare the offer. Thank you guys for joining me. So we have an urgent request for 20,000 amps from Saudi Arabia. They want the delivery by next week. And here's a list of anchors. Can you have a look? We can produce in a week. And yeah, you can also have a look. Need installation as well.
Sure, this should be done. We've already got equipment ready and we can have some guys in the ground.
Yeah, thank you. And please provide me the information by today.
Yeah.
And finally, yet importantly, please give me the logistic information.
Sure,
The
I'll take
transport.
care of all the arrangements and I'll let you know when the transit time comes.
Thank you.
Production-wise should be no problem. We'll make sure the guys are there to have the machines working.
Great.
We'll make it.
Good afternoon, Silicon. Oh, you agree with the offer? That's great news. Okay, we will arrange everything. Yeah, bye-bye. Okay guys, we just got the order from Saudi.
Wow!
Do you want to be part of our international and dynamic sales team? Get in touch with me or apply now.